Welcome to All Bookkeeping and Taxes. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use accounting software, from installation to setting up your business and customizing essential settings. Let's get started. Download and install accounting software. Login. To log into your account on the All Bookkeeping and Taxes platform, use the credentials provided to you via email by the service provider. And click here to log in the dashboard. Enter your email and password to access your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, locate and click on the Software option. Within the Software section, find the Accounting Software heading. Click on the Click to Download button beneath this heading to initiate the download of your accounting software. Install accounting software. Locate the downloaded .msix file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Next until installation is complete. Click Finish and open accounting software. Open and set up your business. Open accounting software. Click Add Business to create a new company profile. Enter your business name and click Create. Your accounting dashboard is now ready. Accounting software naming and renaming business and adding the address. Renaming an existing business. Navigate to the Businesses tab. Click on the business name you wish to rename. At the top of the accounting software window, click the Rename button next to the business name. Enter the new name and click Rename. Access Business Details. Navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Business Details. Update information. In the business name field, enter your desired trading name. In the address field, input your business address as you want it to appear on transaction forms. Select your country from the drop-down list. Here, you can upload image. Simply select your file and click the Upload button. This image can be used for your profile or documents. Click Update to save your new business name, address, country, and upload image. How to remove a business from accounting software. Access the Businesses tab. Open accounting software and navigate to the Businesses tab. Initiate business removal. Click on the Remove Business button. Select the business to remove. In the drop-down menu, choose the business you wish to delete. Confirm the removal. Click Remove Business to confirm. How to define base currency in accounting software. Access the Settings tab. Open accounting software and navigate to the Settings tab. Select Currencies. Click on Base Currency. Define your base currency. In the Code field, enter the three-letter abbreviation of your currency, such as USD for US dollar. In the Name field, enter the full name of your currency, such as United States dollar. In the Symbol field, enter the symbol for your currency, such as the $$ symbol. In the Decimal Places field, specify the number of decimal places used in your currency, such as 2 for USD. Save changes. Click Update to activate your base currency. How to define foreign currencies in accounting software. Access the Settings tab. Open accounting software and navigate to the Settings tab. Select Currencies. Click on Foreign Currencies. Add a new currency. Click the New Currency button. Enter currency details. In the Code field, enter the three-letter abbreviation of your currency, such as USD for US dollar. In the Name field, enter the full name of your currency, such as United States dollar. In the Symbol field, enter the symbol for your currency, such as the $$ symbol. In the Decimal Places field, specify the number of decimal places used in your currency, such as 2 for USD. Save changes. Click Update to save the new foreign currency. How to use languages in accounting software. Access the Language settings. Open the accounting software and navigate to the Preferences tab. Scroll down. Select your preferred language. In the Language section, click on the current language, such as English US. A list of available languages will appear. Choose your preferred language from the list. How to set the date and number format in accounting software. Access the Settings tab. Open accounting software and navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Date and Number Format. Configure the following settings. Date format. Choose a date format that suits your preference. This will determine how dates are entered and displayed throughout the business. Time format. Select the time format you prefer. This determines how time is displayed throughout the business. First day of week. Choose the first day of the week that is standard for your region. This setting adjusts the calendar picker to display the calendar in a way that is familiar to you. Number format. Choose the number format appropriate for your region. This format will be applied to how all numbers and currencies are displayed throughout the business. Save changes. Click Update to apply your selected formats. How to customize a business in accounting software. Access the Customize feature. Open your business in accounting software. Scroll to the bottom of the left-hand navigation pane. Click on the Customize button. Select desired modules. A list of available modules will appear, each with a checkbox. Modules include options like bank accounts, cash accounts, expense claims, customers, suppliers, projects, inventory items, employees, fixed assets, intangible assets, capital accounts, special accounts, and folders. Check the boxes next to the modules you want to enable. Some modules have sub-options, such as receipts and payments under bank accounts. Selecting these will add them to your navigation pane. After selecting the desired modules and sub-options, click the Update button at the bottom. Verify the customization. The selected modules will now appear in the left-hand navigation pane, allowing you to access them as needed. How to build your chart of accounts in accounting software. Access the chart of accounts. Open your business in accounting software. Click on the Settings tab in the left-hand navigation pane. Select Chart of Accounts from the list of settings options. To create a new account, click on New Account. Enter the account name, for example, bank account, sales revenue, or office expenses. Assign an account code. This is optional but helps in organizing accounts. Group. Select the appropriate group for the account to determine its placement in financial statements. Look for the Cash Flow Statement drop-down. Select the appropriate category from Operating Activities, Investing Activities, Financing Activities, Cash and Cash Equivalents. If unsure, choose Operating Activities for most current assets and liabilities. Check the box labeled Autofill, Line Description if you want automatic descriptions when recording transactions. Click Create to save the new account. Before adding individual accounts, plan the structure by creating groups to organize them. Click on New Group to create account categories. Assign a group name, such as Balance Sheet, Current Assets or Profit and Loss, Operating Expenses. Assign the group to a category, Assets, Liabilities, Equity, Income, or Expenses. Click Create to add the group. Summary page in accounting software. Access the Summary tab. Click on the Summary tab in the left-hand navigation menu. This page provides an overview of your business's financial status, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Understanding the summary page layout. The summary page displays balance sheet accounts, assets, liabilities, and equity. Profit and loss accounts, income and expenses. Opening and closing balances for selected periods. Net profit loss calculation based on revenue and expenses. Editing and customizing the summary page. To adjust the display settings, click on the Edit button in the top right corner. Modify the following settings as needed. Show balances for a specified period, set a custom accounting period. Show balances on a cash basis, display financials based on cash transactions instead of accrual. Account codes, enable to show account codes alongside names for better organization. Exclude zero balances, hide accounts with no activity to keep the summary clean. Groups to collapse, select which account groups to collapse for a simplified view. After configuring your preferences, click Update to apply the changes. Setting up capital accounts in accounting software. Enable capital accounts. Navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Customize. Scroll down and check the box for capital accounts. Click Update to apply the changes. The Capital Accounts tab will now appear in the left-hand navigation menu. Create capital accounts. Click on the Capital Accounts tab. Click New Capital Account. Fill in the following details. Name, enter the name of the owner or partner. Code, optional, assign a code for reference. Starting balance, if applicable, enter an initial balance. Click Create to save the capital account. Repeat the process for each owner or partner. Using capital subaccounts in accounting software. Access capital subaccounts. Navigate to the Settings tab in your accounting software. Click on Capital Subaccounts from the menu. Manage capital subaccounts. you will see a list of existing capital subaccounts. If you need to modify an existing subaccount, click Edit next to it. Add a new capital subaccount. Click on Add New or Create to open the subaccount creation form. In the subaccount section, enter the subaccount name in the provided field. Click on Create to save and finalize the new subaccount. Create and add another if you need to add multiple subaccounts. Recording owner withdrawals, drawings, in accounting software. Navigate to Payments. Go to the Payments tab. Click on New Payment. Enter payment details. Date. Select the date of the transaction. Paid from. Choose the account from which the funds are withdrawn, cash or bank. Payee. Enter the name of the owner making the withdrawal. Description. Optional. Add any relevant details about the transaction. Account. Select Capital Accounts. Capital Account. Choose the specific owner's capital account. Subaccount. Select drawings to categorize the withdrawal. Amount. Enter the withdrawal amount. Image. Insert relevant image here. Save the transaction. Click Create to record the withdrawal successfully. Recording owner contributions, funds contributed, in accounting software. Navigate to Receipts. Go to the Receipts tab. Click on New Receipt. Enter receipt details. Date. Select the transaction date. Reference. Optional. Enter a reference number if needed. Pair. Enter the owner's name. Received in. Choose the account where the funds are deposited, such as bank or cash. Exchange rate, if applicable. Enter the exchange rate if the transaction involves foreign currency. Description. Optional. Add any relevant details about the transaction. Account. Select Capital Accounts. Capital Account. Choose the specific owner's capital account. Subaccount. Select funds contributed to categorize the contribution. Amount. Enter the contribution amount. Image. Insert relevant image here. Save the transaction. Click Create to successfully record the owner's contribution. Allocating share of profit in accounting software. Navigate to the Journal Entries section. Click on the Journal Entries tab from the left menu. Select New Journal Entry. Enter journal entry details. Date. Choose the transaction date. Reference. Optional. Add a reference number if needed. Currency. Ensure the correct currency is selected. Narration. Optional. Add a description of the profit allocation. Debit entry. Account. Select retained earnings or profit and loss account. Amount. Enter the total profit amount to be distributed. Credit entry. For each owner receiving profit. Account. Select capital accounts. Capital account. Choose the specific owner's capital account. Subaccount. Select share of profit. Amount. Enter the allocated profit amount for that owner. Repeat the credit entry for each owner based on their share of profit. Additional options, if required. Click Add Line to include more accounts. Select Column. Description to add details to each line item. Select Cash Transaction for cash flow statement purposes, if applicable. Image. Insert relevant image here. Save the journal entry. Click Create to finalize and save the journal entry successfully. Creating reports in accounting software. Access the Reports tab. Open your accounting software. Navigate to the Reports tab from the left-hand navigation menu. Select a report. Choose a report category, such as Trial Balance. Click on the specific report you want to generate. Customize the report. Depending on the selected report, customize it by Enter report details. In the title field, enter the name of the report, such as Trial Balance. Optionally, enter a description if needed. Select Accounting Method. Choose an accounting method from the drop-down. Accrual basis, default selection. Cash basis, if required. Define the date range. Set the from and to dates to specify the reporting period. Configure report settings. If needed, click Add Comparative column to compare with the previous period. Optional, check the following options. Show account codes, to display account codes in the report. Exclude zero balances, to remove accounts with zero balances. Generate the report. After applying the necessary settings, click on the Create button to generate the report. Cloning reports. If you want to create a duplicate of a report, Click on Clone to make a copy. Modify the report settings if required. Click Create to generate the duplicate report. Save the report as a PDF. If you want to save the report to your computer, click on the Print option. Select Save as PDF in the printer settings. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Click Save to store the report on your PC. Viewing saved reports. After saving the report, go to the Trial Balance main menu or the Report section. Open the saved report anytime you need it. Deleting an account in accounting software. Access Chart of Accounts. Navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Chart of Accounts. Select the account to delete. Locate the account you want to remove, such as current assets. Click the Edit button next to it. Delete the account. Scroll down and click on the Delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to confirm.